What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be analyzing Chris's website. The website is about New York sports, which I appreciate because I'm a big New York sport fan. Um, I like how immediately you know what the website is about, and his the images that he used are help deliver his messages and his free posts prior to even clicking on them. Uh, I like how in his About Me section, he added some humor to it, talking about, New York sports not being the best right now, but him still being a fan. So I like it's cool to see that he cares about, um, what he's talking about, which makes it, more interesting for him along with me. Um, I like how with his tags, he um, he emphasized words like Daniel Jones or Giants, Jets, and everything that he was talking about within his blogs, um, and just highlighting those words. Make it easy to find. Um, I'm gonna find what I'm looking for. I like how in his previous post he shows each month, and it's easy to maneuver through the timeline by clicking those things. On his blogs, I thought he did a great job on his blogs, um, and it was cool just seeing how his posts were up to date, talking about like the recent games, what was going on. So I thought he did a really good job with that. But I mean, as of right now, I think he's doing a really good job with the website. All New York sports. I thought that was a clever name to give the website. Um, and yeah, I'm excited to see where he goes from here. So.